1967 Chevrolet Impala SS two-door hardtop here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Yes, real deal SS, original 8-cylinder car. You'll be able to tell that by the VIN number, 168 VIN. You can also tell off the data tag. And you'll be able to see those in the still pictures, and I'll tell you where to see that in just a bit. First of all, underneath the hood, 327 V8 with a 4-barrel quadra jet on it. Power steering, and best of all, paired up to a 4-speed manual transmission. We take a look at the chrome bright work grille up front. Paint color on this one, velvet red. There's actually a can in the trunk with a code on it. There's also some touch-up paint in it. You can see it shows well on this car too. All right, check out all the still pictures. You'll be able to see the trunk, engine bay, interior, undersides, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video and in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. You can also call us, 507-386-1726. Riding on newer, polished 5-spoke wheels, Mastercraft Avenger radials. I'm going to get into some other things that were recently done in service on this car, as well as some other things that are going to go with it. But first, let's take a look down the passenger side. You can see how nice and straight those long panels are. And the fact that that paint does show nicely up and down the passenger side. It's not full of any nicks, well, I should say any major nicks, dings, or scratches. You may find a small imperfection here or there, maybe it's been touched up. But overall, you can see this car shows very nicely. Black vinyl interior. Of course, bucket seats up front with the center console and that 4-speed. Aftermarket stereo has been installed, and we'll take a little closer look at that interior when we get around to the driver's side. Start it up, let you hear it run. First, I want you to know we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. So we take a look at the chrome and the bright work in the rear of the car. Now in the trunk, there are some things that are going to go with this. Headliner and the interior sail panels is in the trunk for replacement if you want, and I'll show you the headliner right now. It's not bad. There's brake lines in the trunk, some miscellaneous trim pieces, and then some service work that was recently done to this. It does have new belts, wheel cylinders, drums were turned. So get in this car, turn the key, go have some fun. Previous owner recently had taken it for about a 250, 300 mile cruise. Says it drives out very nice. And again, take your time looking through the still pictures, underside, interior, uniqueclassiccars.com. Let's take a look down this driver's side, and again, you can see how nice and straight those long panels are. Paint shows well. Noticed anything major for nicks, dings, or scratches. Be a fun car for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Kind of fastback look and swooping rear to the 67. Two-door hardtops. And again, you can see vinyl shows very well in this car. Have not noticed any rips, tears, or holes. Carpeting looks newer. You can see the carpeting under the floor mats in the still pictures. I mentioned the headliner earlier. It's still there. Looks decent, but there is some extra parts in the trunk, and you'll be able to see that in the still pictures too. Took some still pictures of those parts and put them back in the trunk. They will go with the car. All right, let's go ahead and fire this up. The car has started very easily. Every time I've started it, moved it, driven it. Take a look at the dash. And then that aftermarket stereo I mentioned earlier, that is working. Voltmeter added underneath the dash. Of course, take a little closer look at the center console, passenger seating area, up the top of the dash. Looks good. Slip around to the back so you can hear this run. I don't know if you noticed, but if you look at the underside pictures, you're going to notice single exhaust. Here's one for the Impala gurus out there. I believe in 67, dual exhaust was a option, believe it or not. You Impala fans out there and experts, let us know down in the comment section. Get an idea how it sounds. Nothing crazy over the top. Just a nice sounding 327. All right, I'm gonna slip up here. It's gonna take me just a second to get this hood open, and we'll check out that engine bay. And remember, stick around to the end of the video because we're gonna take this car for a drive, show you how it goes down the road, take it for a virtual ride, if you will. There's a good look at the underside of the hood and engine bay. Again, 4-barrel quadra jet power steering, 327, smooth runner. We have a disconnect over here in the battery for in between drives, or maybe while it's in storage. (1967) Chevrolet Impala SS, real deal SS, 2-door hardtop. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1967 Chevrolet Impala SS. This car has what most people are looking for: the center console, 4 on the floor, manual transmission. Very nice shifting car. The clutch feels good. The gears are easy to shift. Just opened up the 4 barrels there. Very smooth running car. Smooth riding vehicle. Great feel on the road. Our steering wheel is tilted a bit to the right. That doesn't affect performance at all. If I let go of the wheel, this car stays nice and straight. We have a retro sound style radio in the dash, so you can listen to your tunes digitally even though it looks retro. Our speedometer is working great. Odometer showing 93,349 miles. This is a little over halfway in the fuel gauge, and the rest of it would be warning lights. However, under the dash there is a volt gauge, and that's reading 14.5, which is just right. Take this roundabout here in second gear. This car corners good. It doesn't lean very much. Nice acceleration in this Chevrolet. We have factory looking bucket seats up front. Nice black carpet, black headliner. Brakes work well. A really nice looking Impala SS. Check out all the pictures and read about this car at uniqueclassiccars.com.